The flowers are flowering from last night's food and water extravaganza because we had 2 cravings and I don't know which itch to scratch. At 41, I did not expect to be liking varsity stuff again. I'm probably lying. I never remember to do that. I still don't have my replacement washer dryer that broke a month ago. Okay, well that's a Shein order that turned out. So sometimes they don't, hit or miss, and this is a hit. So yay. Hi friends. We have the Sunday scaries. So we're trying to cope with anxiety on a Sunday night before a new work week. Let's unpack, shall we? Not the trauma, but the bag. We got, to start, 2 bouquets of flowers to go, fresh cut flowers to go in my lemon vase that I got from Michael's. Before I decide on dinner, because we had 2 cravings and I don't know which itch to scratch, gyoza dumplings and caprese salad with avocado. So don't know how we're gonna go, but remains to be seen. So while I decide on that, I'm gonna put these in the lemon vase, but let's do a little haul. I have a ranch dressing veggie tray of crudité, some bananas, the bocconcini cheese for the caprese salad. We got these really cool Wild Wonders cherry tomatoes that are all different colors. These are the pork and shiitake gyoza dumplings. We got lucky because normally the avocados are very new and fresh, but I got lots that are very close to their ripen date. So I think at least one of these will be ready to go and chopped and put in the caprese salad tonight. So yum. And I picked up a Country Living Vintage Home magazine to flip through and get ideas for not only my magazine but my home, because it's a completely thrifted vintage home, as you know from my Grandma Core home tour, which I'll put a card to here. I'm probably lying. I never remember to do that. So just search my channel. It's there. There's not that many videos. I have some time. I'm not famished, so I'll do the flowers first. Let me grab the lemon vase.
Let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning. You love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave.
Okay, these guys might look a little sleepy right now because they were in a supermarket bin with yay big water. But I promise once they've had their food and water drink overnight and they get the sun on them tomorrow afternoon, by then they'll be big, blossoming, blooming, beautiful. Let's make that caprese salad with avocado.
The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want me, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's.
Hey friends, the flowers are flowering from last night's food and water extravaganza. So they are doing super well. Happy about that. Couple of things I came home to that I wanted to show you guys. This you've seen before. I have an obsession with this super affordable t-shirt. It's a varsity t-shirt, which at 41 I did not expect to be liking varsity stuff again, but it's in this baby blue that I'm obsessed with, that all the stores are going with. It's like baby blue, baby pink, gender reveals parties. I've seen it at Aritzia and Aloe, and Anyway, this is my third of this size medium. I sized up because I want it to be like loose and flowy. I don't want to feel like I'm wearing a baby tee. It's $35, which for aritzia is like a steal of a deal. Baby blue, varsity t-shirt, crew neck. It's the perfect level of cotton that it's not too heavy, and with today going up to 15 degrees for the first time, we are officially in spring, so I can't wait to I live in these. So when the other two are dirty, I'm sad because I still don't have my replacement washer dryer that broke a month ago. So I've called maintenance and they are looking into it. And we'll see if I get a call back about when that delivery is coming, because I've been taking my laundry to my mother's for 3 weekends in a row and I'm fed up. So this weekend I missed doing that. So I was just like, fine, I'll buy a third t-shirt because I'm not being stuck with dirty laundry for a whole week. Also, I normally don't like to order from Shein because so many reasons, but they had really cheap platform sandals for summer, which if you look here in all the stores, they're like $90. I don't want to pay that. You just throw them on when you're running out in the summer, and because our summers in Ottawa are so short, just because of being Canadian, you have to just accept and get used to the fact that most of your year is cold winter. So I ordered a pair of black ones and I ordered a pair of cognac brown ones to match my whole wardrobe, and they're like oversized and puffy, and so we'll see if they fit. I sized down to a 6. I'm a 6.5. Sometimes I have to size up to a 7 in boots, especially if I'm wearing thick socks. And sometimes, like ballerina flats, I have to size down to a size 6 if I want them to fit snugly. So I sized down to a 6. We'll see if these fit, so let's try them on. Okay, so these are the brown ones. They're actually a bit darker than they're coming off on camera, which I love. And if I ever have the choice, like bags, belts, accessories, I always go brown instead of black. But I do know that black goes with everything, and because it was Shein and they're so inexpensive, I thought just get both, because then when you're wearing all black, you can throw the black ones on and just not have to worry. But when you're wearing lighter colors, linens, that kind of thing, you can wear your brown favorites. So these are the black ones. Black. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a perfect fit. If I had gone 37, see how it's like perfectly at the back? If I had gone 37, that would have been too big. There's a nice little toe separator. Yeah, these fit perfectly. And they're like water resistant, so I can wear these at the beach, like with a bathing suit and just a beach day, hanging out by the water, or if I'm chasing my sister's kids. Like they look good. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, see, because I'm so pale, I often find black can be really harsh with my skin tone. And I don't tan in the summer, like it doesn't get any darker. And these, yeah, I like the brown a lot. So that's gonna go with a lot of my stuff. These will probably be the most worn, but very happy with this order. Okay, well that's a Shein order that turned out. So sometimes they don't, hit or miss, and this is a hit, so yay.